Alright, y'all. I'm actually in the process of taking this mirror off because somebody broke it. So I'm taking that off right now. I'm about to replace it with the new one. I'll let y'all know the process. Take that off. It's right here. Disconnect the beads. Finishing up here. Take the speaker out. Hey, there's no way without you. Oh yeah. Take that out. Alright, y'all. Got the door off. So believe me. Now I'm about to get to that so I can get that mirror off. But yep, this is what I had to do to get it off. Be careful if y'all do it. Alright, so I just took. I was trying to get this off, but it wasn't working. I found out there's another bolt in there, see? So make sure you get all the bolts, disconnect this, get all the bolts. I'm about to get that one out. Finally got it off. Here is it right here. It's messed up mirror. Somebody cracked on me. The real one here. I'll put that on there. Alright, y'all. Got the mirror on. See it all nice and clear and clean. I just gotta finish and everything else back. That's all.
Watch me little bit for like a porn star. Next day acting such a broke dog. Bitches asking how you know her. I can't fool with being a dog guy. Too loud guy till
Alright, y'all, put the door back on. This was in my way, so be careful when y'all put your door back on. This be in the way. The other one broke, but y'all really need it. It's just to hold the speakers in. But yeah, put the door back on. Now I'm about to start screwing stuff back in. I got the door pretty much back on. Just gotta get this final tape on here. But they're not there. It's all done now. Fix that. That was messed up. It's all good now.
Every time I see you, you're working on your truck.